Welcome to the Math Show Skill Drills with Mr. DeClerico. What is PEMDAS? Well, it's a way of understanding the proper order of operations when doing arithmetic. It's what we use every time we evaluate an expression in math. I also think that PEMDAS is overrated. I prefer GEMDAS. G stands for grouping symbols. Parentheses, the original P in PEMDAS, as well as absolute value bars, the numerator and denominator of a rational expression, and other things too, that are like parentheses plus. Next in line, you have exponents. Y'all know what exponents are. It's just repeated multiplication. Then you have the OG multiplication, and its inverse division, addition, and its inverse subtraction. We handle multiplication and division from left to right as they appear in the problem, and after we're done that, we handle the addition and subtraction from left to right as they appear in the problem as well. Let's apply our knowledge of GEMDAS. First, we see a grouping symbol, namely parentheses. I say 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. Then I handle the exponent. Negative 2 squared equals 4. Then I handle some multiplication or division. I see division first. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And there's more. 3 times 6 equals 18. Notice I proceeded from left to right. Finally, I have some addition or subtraction. 2 plus 18 equals 20. And that is the answer. Here's another expression that helps you understand why I can't always use Comic Sans font. It can't make fractions or radicals very nicely. Our first grouping symbol is a division bar, separating two groups, the numerator and the denominator. I see that in my top group, I have an exponent, so I evaluate it. 3 squared equals 9. Then I handle the addition and subtraction within the two groups. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. You'll notice that within each group, I handle PEMDAS, or rather GEMDAS, in order until I'm done that group. 4 over 4 simplifies to 1, and I'm done. The next group is going to be that square root of quantity 19 minus 3. That square root is a grouping symbol with a little extra. So first I handle the 19 minus 3 and I get 16. Then and only then am I able to apply a square root, which would get me 4. Then I take the 1 from my first expression and the 4 from my second expression and add them together to get 5, which is my final answer. Now here are some for you to try on your own. Try to evaluate number 1. Pause the video, give it a go, and see how you did. All right, let's see that answer. I'll assume we're ready to continue. The correct answer is 75. If you didn't get 75, make sure you did the addition in the parentheses before squaring and added the 20 and the 10 before dividing by 5. Now let's try number 2. Pause the video just like before and try this one on your own. All right, I'll assume we're ready to continue. Let's see that answer. -6. Again, make sure you handle what's in the fraction inside the radical before you square root anything. Finally, let's try number 3. Give it a go on your own and see if you got the right answer. Okay, I'll assume we're ready to continue. The correct answer is -2. Remember, 6 minus 13 may be -7, but the absolute value makes that +7. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're feeling what this cat is feeling, check out my website in the description. And as always, be sure to click subscribe, hit the like button, and all that good stuff.